of changing the graph is data-centric. It needs to do a transaction. It's relatively special to this app. So therefore, I take it and move it over. So all I have to do here in the Node app is to receive a put request and just hand it on in this simple way to the put service in the Fox app. It's just a trampoline. Now, let's look at that one. So you have seen the Express style, the way to make new routes in the Express. One directory level up, I have something you might recognize. This is a JSON describing the app. It's very similar to package.json. It's called manifest. It has a teardown script, a setup script, and it declares a controller. And this controller is good old JavaScript code, which does some kind of initialization here for Fox and for the controller. And then essentially it does exactly what an Express thing would do. Here's your GET service, which I actually don't use because I use the database API directly. And down here is the put thing. And what you see is it is working exactly as in Express. You just give a function with request and response for a put call. You can do some logging if you want. And then it uses the database engine running directly on the database server using the full API. And in this context, for example, it executes a transaction which is writing on that collection, and the action is just a good old JavaScript function. And you see it's a bit complicated. Therefore, it's probably a good idea to put it in the database server. Obviously, for this application, it would not have been necessary. You could have used the standard API. But, well, this is just to explain the point.